Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to download and install Discord. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to download and install Discord in your Android, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Google Play Store. Just tap on this search button. Then search for Discord. In this you have to identify your original Discord app, then tap on install. It will take some time. After completion of this installation, just open, register, and you can use it. That's it guys. So in this way you can download and install Discord on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.